EU cruise AB 2,850 euro II4 to Embark 1,030. RORO's trading between Barcelona, Valencia to Italy, 2,850 euros. Before we did ask a requirement of certification 2.5, now we're asking certification 2.4. We have lowered the requirement, number one. Number two, before we did ask for minimum 4 months or even more length of contract. Now we are asking for 3. So if you are on board the cruise that it is more than 3, join us. Also here is not the requirement of English. I know this video is in English, but we will put it in Italian, the subtitles, because if you do not have English but you do have, for example, basic Italian, then you can join with the training booklet that we will hand to you towards emergency communication, which is a must. Safety is first. Also, if you are thinking in staying really close to your family, then close to Portugal, Spain, France, even close to Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Ireland, UK. If you're thinking moving down south, because the people here are very, very happy and it's a nice atmosphere, we live much longer. It's not only the Mediterranean diet, it's also how to smile, how to take life. Life is like the Italian, they do. Life is happy, and we may have to make it happy. And this is a job opportunity for you, for your family, and for everybody around Croatia, Slovenia, all the European countries. Please apply urgently. Greece, Romania, Bulgaria, and Poland, Estonia, please. Really nice weather, Mediterranean weather, huge ships. 37,000 tons to 67,000 ton RORO, state of the art. There's a fleet of 22 ships that you can trade. So please cruise to RORO ABs if you are tired of this massification of tourists and massification of people around. You want to be surrounded by Italian professionals. That's it. Core focus is professional. 25 crew on board each ship. It's to the job. Finito. Many thanks, molto grazie for your time. Bye.